Welcome guys to my channel. So from today onwards I will be teaching you how to do basic programmings in TI portal. So I am using version 19 for programming, TI portal version 19. So there is also version 20 which has advanced features. So let me start. So if you see when you open the TI portal you have these options. So initially the start comes, then you can either open an existing project or create a new project, or migrate a project. Migrate a project means if you want to change the older program to new program, newer version, you can do it. So I am creating a new project. So once you click there, you have this dialog box coming. You have to give the name of the project, where you want to save it. Your version is version 19. Since I am using version 19, it is showing version 19. Author, you can give your name, and comments, whatever comments you want to give about the project, you can add that. So author, I am putting fresh engineer. And comments, beginners program. So this dialog gets opened. It takes time, so I have cut that video. So you can configure device, write PLC program, configure technological object, means like if you want to add a servo motor and all, you can do this. Then you can configure HMI. So there are two methods. Either you can click here and then start, or you can go to the open project view. So I usually prefer open project view. It's more easy for me to do. You can also do it. So once you have opened, this page opens. So what you have to do is you have to add new device. So first you have to click the controllers. So which PLC? See, I am having Siemens S7 12000. The version which I am using is DC. So my model number which I am using is this. I just click it. You have to not double click it, just click it. See, there is an important thing which you have to consider is your version. You should be knowing your version. If you are not knowing the version, you have to put unspecified and you have to check. If you change here your version, since I am using an older version, my version is 4.5. If you do not add correct properly the version, what will happen is when you are going to download the program, it will not allow you. So take care that you do this. You have to know. Usually you cannot, there is no details provided in the S7 1200 about the version. Actually what you have to do is you have to, the second method to find, if you are not knowing your version, you have to go online. Let me do this first. See, if you are not knowing, then you have to go online. Okay, just wait on. So after once you have added the PLC, this page pops up. See, if you want to give a password, you can set the password for the PLC so that nobody can access your program from here. So I do not want to add a password right now, so I'll just give it a finish. So you can see here your PLC. One more feature in this is, if you want to create the PLC tags, you can create it directly from here. You can see what is your PLC tag names. Or if you want to do it, the another method is, what you do is you go to the properties. You have to go to the network view first, then select your PLC, come to the properties, and here if you go, you can see the tags. You can name it here itself, and automatically it takes. Then and the another important thing is your Ethernet port. You select it, go to the general, see, you have to come to the Ethernet addresses. Here, if you come here, this is very much important. You should know your IP address. This is a default IP address. You can keep this if you want, or if you want to change, you can change it from here. But remember that this is very much important when you are going to communicate it with the HMI. Okay, now you have added the PLC. Now I want to add the HMI. So again, I'll go to the add new device. So now you come here, you come to here, HMI. See, I am having a basic 7-inch display. My version is this. Again, you have to be careful that your version is this 17. I don't have 17 version in my this HMI. In next video, I'll tell you how to find the HMI version also, and also how to find the version of this. Currently, I am using 15.1. Then click it OK. I'll show you how to identify version of your PLC. It's important. And see, many people think that once they know to do the programming, it's easy to connect it to any PLC and take the backup. But it is not so easy, because versions keep on coming in between, and also TIA Portal programming versions also is very much important. You have to take care of that. So now your HMI has come. So you go to the next. I'm not going to change any default settings. Next, and finish. You can skip this part if you do not want. This is I'm not so experienced in making videos, so please forgive me if I'm doing any mistakes. So again, you go to the device. So now you can see you have added your HMI and PLC. Now you have to communicate both together. It's very simple. Okay, before that, you just come here, go to the properties, Ethernet address. See, this is your IP address of your HMI. So you have to remember in case of HMI, because this is important, because you have to give this value in the HMI manually. You have to feed it if you want to communicate HMI with your this. It can also take, but it's better that if you are doing programming for the first time and you want to upload it into the HMI, then first itself you set the IP address same as this what is displayed here. So communicating PLC to HMI is very easy. You just drag a line from there, connect it, so it is automatically connected. So nothing you have to do. Okay. So in next video, I will be teaching you how to do a simple program. Then afterwards, how to upload the program to your PLC, for your simulator PLC as well as your physical PLC. Okay. If you like my videos and you want further videos, please subscribe to my channel. It boosts my confidence and also inspires me to make further videos. Thank you.